Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today we have one very interesting and challenging question from Algebra, which will be solving for real values of x. Given that x is less than 3. So let's get started with our substitutions straight away. Let us say square root 3 minus x is a. For x less than 3, a must be positive. Square root 4 minus x equal to b. For x less than 3, b must be positive. Square root 6 minus x equal to c. For x less than 3, c will be positive only. Now we'll be squaring these equations. So we can write 3 minus x equal to a square. 4 minus x equal to b square. And 6 minus x equal to c square. After rearranging the terms, we will get a square plus x equal to 3. B square plus x equal to 4. And c square plus x will be equal to 6. We will use these equations little later. Now we can write our equation in a, b and c. So equation will become ab plus c over b minus a equal to x. Now we are going to multiply numerator denominator by b plus a. We'll multiply numerator by b plus a also. Now denominator becomes b minus a times b plus a. Using difference of two squares formula, we can write b square minus a square. Here we have a square, here we have b square. So let's figure out b square minus a square will be equal to 4 minus x minus 3 minus x, which will be equal to 1. So our denominator is 1. We will write our equation ab plus c times b plus a equal to x. Or we will write ab plus bc plus ca equal to x. So we will write here ab plus bc plus ca equal to x. Now I will add a square to both sides. So ab plus bc plus ca, if this is equal to x, add a square to LHS and add a square to RHS. Now this is 3. We can take b common from these two, a common from these two. We will write b is common in bracket a plus c, a is common in bracket c plus a equal to 3. Now a plus c is overall common. So in other bracket we have b plus a equal to 3. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now we will be adding b square to both sides. So let me write here ab plus b square. I am writing here plus bc plus ca. This is equal to b square plus x. What I have done, I have added b square to both sides. Now we will take b common from first two terms. So a plus b will be there. Then we have c common. We'll write b plus a. And RHS is b square plus x. This is 4. We'll take a plus b overall common. So a plus b times c plus b or b plus c equal to 4. This is our equation number 2. Now we will add c square to both sides and get, let me write directly, it is b plus c times c plus a equal to 6. Here I will write equation number 3. Now we will multiply all the three equations. 1 times 2 times 3. So in LHS we will have a plus b times b plus c times c plus a whole square. And in right hand side we will write 3 times 4 times 6, which is nothing but 72. Now we will take a square root both sides. So after taking a square root both sides, we will get a plus b times b plus c times c plus a equal to plus minus square root 72, which will be square root 36 times 2 plus minus 6 root 2. Now we have conditions on a, b and c. All three numbers are positive. So this must be positive, this must be positive, this must be positive. Product of three positive numbers must be positive. So we will reject this minus sign from right hand side. So we have a plus b times b plus c times c plus a equal to plus 6 square root 2. And this is equation 4. Now we have to divide equation 4 by equation 1. So let me write here equation 4 divided by equation 1, which will give us b plus c equal to, we'll write here 2 root 2. Let's say this is fifth equation. We will divide equation 4 by equation 2. We will get c plus a equal to 6 root 2 over 4. It is 3 root 2 over 2. Let's say this is equation 6. Equation 4 divided by equation 3. We are going to get a plus b this time. And this will be equal to 6 root 2 over 6. Value will be root 2. Let's say this is equation number 7. Now we will add all the three. 5, 6 and 7. We will get 2 times a plus b plus c in LHS, and in RHS we will take root 2 common. So in the bracket there would be 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 1, which will be equal to root 2 times 3 plus 3 over 2, which will be 9 over 2. So we can write 9 root 2 over 2. This is equal to 2 times a plus b plus c. Now we have to divide by 2 both sides to get the value of a plus b plus c. Let's divide by 2 both sides. We will get a plus b plus c equal to 9 square root 2 over 2 times 2. I am writing 4. Now let us say this is equation number 8. Now we will subtract equation 5 from equation 8. So I will write here LHS first. LHS of equation 8. LHS of equation 5 will be equal to 9 root 2 over 4 minus 2 root 2, which is RHS of equation 5. So we will get 9 root 2 minus 8 root 2. It is root 2 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. B plus C minus B minus C will get over. We are going to get A. Now A is square root 3 minus X equal to square root 2 over 4. Now we have a square root in LHS, so we will be squaring both sides. A square root and a square will get over. We can write 3 minus x equal to root 2 square is 2, 4 square is 16. 2 over 16 is 1 over 8. So we can write 3 minus x equal to 1 over 8. Let me write here 3 minus x equal to 1 over 8. We will take minus x to the right hand side and 1 over 8 to the left hand side. We will get 3 minus 1 over 8 equal to x. Now 3 can be written as 24 over 8. minus 1 over 8 equal to x, which will give us 23 over 8. And this is slightly less than 3. So our answer becomes x equal to 23 over 8. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.